BeASmileToday.com, where your smile makes a difference in the world. I'm here in a shopping center and there's a beautiful Canary Island pine. Isn't that gorgeous? Don't trees just make you happy? Well, I gotta tell you, moving over here, if you see these tall skinny things sticking up, those are the same pines. This is a job of a poor tree trimmer. And the sad thing is that there's so many tree trimmers out there that convince you that a tree needs to be cut back this far. And I gotta tell you, they don't. Here's another example of a poorly trimmed tree. Oh, better yet, we'll go over there. Look at that. I gotta tell you, trees do not have to be trimmed this far. This is like going to stunt its growth. It's almost like a bad haircut. You know, bad haircuts just ruin your day. So how do you think these trees feel? Look at there in the upper left-hand corner. See how that branch is growing weirdly? That is not normal growth for a tree. Do you see that? That is pathetic. And they didn't just do one, they did 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then all the way down the shopping center. I gotta tell you, trees have rights too. When are you going to make a difference in your tree's life? Be a smile, be a cause for the trees. Be it now. BeASmileToday.com, where your smile and your cause makes a difference in the world. And if my flash camera would turn off, we would end this video. And it's not working.